What's up, guys? It's Chris, and we're doing another video on home automation stuff. This is just an unboxing. I just got this, no idea what it does, but I'm a home automation freako right now. I'm addicted to this stuff. So we just did the Nest thermostat, we did some three-ways, we did some regular toggle switch replacements. So now this is the Google Home Hub. Dun, 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 dun. Alright. Looks like my Galaxy. Oh, except it has this big speaker on it, so pretty simple. We got the unit itself. We'll plug it in and see what it does. Very heavy sub box with a instructional pack on what you got, and looks like a power cord like the minis, the round disc with the, oh gosh, you know. So that is all that you get, minus my napkins. So the Google Home, it looks like it has some plastic on it. So weight, it's pretty substantial for a little tablet. Now it looks like it has a power jack, excuse me, a button here, microphone off and on, and big embroidered speaker with a Google logo. Right, so here we are on my kitchen countertop. And I'm just going to plug this in, and we're going to see what it does. Well, I've never set this up before at all. Self boots. Wow, although this looks blue, it's gray with a white logo, not blue. Same exact setup as the minis with a display though.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
It's the Google Home app. And already in the top of my Google Home it says set up one device. I guess, yeah, that sounds good. Google Home. Connecting to your Google Home Hub. I gotta enter a code. Still says connecting. Okay, do I see the code? Yep, I see the code. It matches, it's all automatic. Automatically share device stats and crashes. No. Sounds good. And it asks for your wireless, and it'll connect to your Wi-Fi. Connecting to your wireless. And it has a Google Home Hub with a name. So it should automatically grab all my junk. We'll see. We're doing this for the first time together. So this just says connecting to Wi-Fi. And up, oh gosh, doesn't it figure? And it says kitchen display, finished setup.
Welcome to your Google Home Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in.
Hi, how can I help?
So you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalized routine.
The big switch on the side apparently is volume
hey Google,
control.
Good morning. For the weather.
Yeah, volume control.
Reminders.
Whoa, that's really loud.
And more.
Your commute to work is 20 minutes by car.
If you live
Simply
in San
tap to see your home
Francisco.
screen, where you can get useful info about your day, check out videos and recipes, and explore all the things your assistant can do. Have a question? Just ask for help from Google or YouTube. Hey Google, show me how to cut a pineapple.
Okay, playing on YouTube.
Now you can see and control all of your devices from a single dashboard. Just swipe down from the top of the screen for Home View, where you can see the status of your home, view devices in each room, and adjust the lights, pause the TV, and monitor cameras, like the Nest Hello Video doorbell. Hey Google, show me the front door.
This is what we're going to be doing. Cool.
Unwind in the evening with your favorite songs and videos from YouTube Music. Hey Google, play Dua Lipa. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to adjust volume or brightness.
Ah, cool.
or use the volume buttons behind the right side of the display. To turn off the
Alarms?
mics, simply
Cool.
slide the mic mute switch. And with live albums from Google Photos, Hub will automatically display the best and latest photos taken by you and your loved ones. Set
I
up
don't
the
have
symbol
Hub.
in the Google Home app. You can also search for photos by voice. Hey Google, show me my photos from Hawaii. And aloha.
Too bad I didn't go to
What's
Hawaii.
this? It's Hub's light sensor. It allows Hub to automatically match the colors and lighting in any room, so photos on Hub blend in with your home. And when it's time for bed, Hub knows to dim for a good night's sleep.
This is going to be my new
Remember,
alarm clock.
If you ever want to learn more, just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" Ready to give Hub a try? Swipe from the left edge of the screen to exit and get started.
I want to turn my lights out here. I want to see if it gets darker. This is an ambient light test. Yeah, look at that. It really, really, really dimmed down. I mean, like, barely. I could barely read it. That's great. Turning the lights back up, and the screen gets brighter. Wow, that's very good. Touch. Slide to the left. Different clocks. Stories, Google Music, YouTube videos. Set an alarm. Play ocean sounds. What's that say?
Here's what the ocean sounds like.
Hope it doesn't play on all speakers. Cool. Oh. YouTube apps. What's the weather tomorrow? Explore more things your assistant can do. It's all touchscreen. Very simple. Set alarms, play music, check weather, find food reviews, play videos, have fun, manage photos, timers, calendars, all the stuff that... Ooh. Let's see. Hey Google, turn off the kitchen lights.
Okay, turning the kitchen lights off.
Oh, it worked. Turn them on. Cool. Hey Google, turn on the TV light.
You got it, turning the TV light on.
Hey Google, are the outside front lights on?
The back outside lights is on.
Cool. Neat. Hey Google, are the front outside lights on?
The front outside lights is on.
Cool. So, how do you get out of here? Close? Okay. I don't care about that. So anyway guys, that's the Google, whatever this thing's called. What is it called? The Google Home Hub. So that's the Google Home Hub. I just got it set on a clock. I don't know why it's got a weird space in here of, let me put it on something else. There we go. I kind of like that one. It's actually a little dimmer. The camera's bright because it's very bright in here to get a good shot. There's my butter. So that's about it. You get a power cord, an instruction manual, which we didn't even open. You'll need to download the Google Home app. You saw everything I did. 10 minutes. We're goofing around. We're good to go. So this is going to be my new alarm clock, and we will get to a further review of the Nest Hello doorbell video camera, which we'll link to this, and then you can two-way microphone talk, and we'll do some testing on that. So hey guys, thumbs up. Thanks for watching.